Today I will show you how to make banner for Termux. First of all, we need to change our name which we are going to make a banner of it. Let's say my name is Google. Then tap on test all. There are 315 different ASCII arts. You can select which you like. I'm selecting this one. So for this you need to select and copy. And now open Termux app. Install Nano by tapping apt-get. apt install Nano. I have already installed it, so I am going to make my banner named as Google. Nano bash.bashrc. Make sure you name your file bash.bashrc because it is very important. Now paste that text which you have copied. Now paste a command, copy and paste. Paste it until the end. Go at the last and just paste an inverted comma all the way. And now our banner is ready to rock. Type Ctrl X and Y to save and hit enter. Now our half work is completed, means 50% work. ls bash.bashrc. Here wind is blowing at my place. ls cd ls cd user / etc ls. There is a file named motd. You need to delete it. For that you need this command rm-rf motd. Write the file name and hit enter. It is now removed. Open new tab. Now the other text which is here has been removed. ls type cd ls. Now copy this bash.bashrc. Type this command and hit enter. ls. Now your banner is ready. Open new tab. We have some work to do. cd ls cd user /etc nano bash.bashrc. Now we have to paste another code which is very important. Ctrl X, Y, enter. Now everything is ready. This is the process which will get you a banner like this. Hope you enjoyed. If you learned something, like, subscribe. Thank you.